What is up, my friends? In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I pack in a single bag for 11 days in Europe. Now, this isn't just any bag. This is the Cotopaxi Alpa 35. Love it, been using it for years. It fits under the seat of most airlines that are American. This is such a useful bag. I'm gonna show you exactly how I use every inch of this bag to maximize its space, but minimize the amount of bags that I need to carry and worry about. So let's dive in. I'm gonna start on the outside of this bag immediately. So first thing, always gotta have my Awala. I love the Awala water bottles. I did another video about why I love this water bottle, why I think it's the best water bottle ever to travel with, to have for daily use and daily carry. Next, I've got this front pocket right here. What I've got is my charging cords and my portable battery. In this pocket, I have, for easy access, my fanny pack that I'll keep my documentation in, when we're out and about during the day, my phone, all of that sort of stuff. Typically I have it, when I'm packing it in here, I have it flipped inside out. This Patagonia hip pack can inverse into itself and become a little pack like this. I just don't have it packed up that way yet. Then I also have sunglasses, of course, and then film camera. Love this little Kodak film camera, the Ektar H35. It's a half frame film camera, so on a single roll, it takes the pictures vertical, and on a single roll you can get almost 60 exposures. Really fun to have and to travel with. There is this separate pocket that's in there as well. I'll usually put my camera and my glasses and stuff in this separate pocket, and then we'll have snacks or anything that I'm carrying for the flight in that pocket. So, pretty simple. Okay, next, one more external pocket is this pocket right here, and this holds my iPad. I use an iPad Pro mostly when I'm traveling on longer trips. I have the keyboard that goes with it, and it's really, really handy to have the iPad in case I need to do something on a larger screen but not have to carry my full-on laptop. Now, let's dive into the bag itself. One of my favorite things about this bag is the way that it opens up. So we've got the main zipper out here on the external. We got two zippers. Once you unzip the entire thing, you just pop this thing open, and voila, you have access to all of your things. I will leave my clothes in this and find like a luggage holder, and I just keep it just like this so I don't have to unpack and then repack. All right, so let's talk about what I have up here in this upper pocket. This is my Cotopaxi Rainbreaker. So it folds up into a nice little pouch, and then I open it up, and really comfortable, really warm in the wind. And then when I'm packing it around, I can just fold this baby back up into its own little pouch. So it's nice and neat and carry it around like that. I also have these travel hats. I'm always wearing a hat. This travel hat's from a company called Gravel. I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I use of theirs. But this travel hat's nice because the bill is bendy. I'll wear this hat or a hat like this on the plane, and then I will have this one packed up so that I can throw it on to go work out in, or if I'm gonna be really sweaty or it's gonna get gross or whatever. And the cool thing is that soft bill, so I can just fold it up and just throw it in that pouch like that. All right, so let's work down to this lower pocket in the front of the bag. This lower pocket, it looks somewhat small, but man, you could fit so much in here. First thing I have is my packing cube, once again from Gravel. I love these packing cubes more than any other packing cube I've ever used. This packing cube is their smaller size. They have two sizes. I use the smaller size for my underwear and my socks. Here's what I love about these things, is they completely splay open just like this bag. So I just take all of the four sides and it's completely open. It's expandable. That's what's really cool too about this system. See how long those Velcro strips are? As soon as I've got everything piled in there, all I have to do is just do this layer and then this layer, and boom, those things are really, really packed. Next, of course, some sandals. These are Bedrock sandals. I love them. They're super comfortable. They're a Vibram sole on the bottom. I've been using these for years. Super adjustable in every direction and minimal, so I can free my feet. Then I have my Ultras. These would be my comfy hiking around town if I'm gonna do a lot of walking, like if we're in Rome and we're walking all over the place. These are the Ultra Lone Peaks. I think I've had every edition of the Lone Peaks. So that's everything in my front pocket. By the way, I typically use I typically wear like a pair of Crocs on the plane because I love that you can slip them on, slip them off. They're breathable, they're super comfortable. And then I have a more like comfy around the hotel, around the Airbnb shoe that I can use while I'm traveling. Moving on to the big pocket. One thing I'll talk about this bag is this is my sweatshirt. I always travel with a sweatshirt accessible for the airplane. I'm always getting cold. I don't typically have it inside this pocket on this bag. What I do is I zip these up and then I put this sweatshirt like this and then I fold it shut so that when I'm on the airplane, I don't have to splay this whole thing out to get just my sweatshirt. This, my friends, is a long flight lifesaver. This is the Sleeper Hold travel pillow. If you haven't seen these, you gotta check these out. So basically what it is, I'm not gonna go into too much detail, but it has a pillow in there. So you can put that pillow behind your head. I can put that thing against the airplane's, the wall and lay my head on it. Man, I love it. And then here's the cool part of it. You have this mask, it's this sleeper mask. And so obviously the mask goes over your eyes and it has this strap and you strap it to the head, to the back of the seat. And then you clip this thing to that and it holds your head against the back of the seat so that you can fall asleep and you don't get the ridiculous head bob that everybody has gotten before. This holds my head straight up right against the seat. I sleep so good with it. By the way, I'll link everything down in the description, these gravel packing cubes as well. This is my toiletry bag. It's nothing fancy. It's from a company called Canvas Cutter. I love it. It's heavy duty. It's just a single zipper, no organization, just the essentials. I'm a pretty simple dude. I don't need to carry a lot. These are the bigger gravel packing cubes, and they're the exact same design as the smaller ones, which is so cool. And this one, by the way, is like packed at like 75%. I could get so much more in this cube. So for a 3-day trip, I only have to take 1 cube. In this cube, this would be my pants cube. So I've got these pants here are a lightweight elastic belt Viore pants. I love Viore with the drawstring. The cool thing about this pant is they're pretty versatile. And if I put a button-up shirt on and some shoes, they look a little bit dressed up. These are the Viore joggers. Very lightweight, but super warm when they need to be warm, very stretchy, very, very comfortable. These 2 pairs of pants is all I need. Other than I'll usually wear a pair of sweats on the airplane. Lightweight shorts. These ones happen to be mizzen and main. They're very stretchy, airy, light. And so they're not a lot of weight. You can easily roll them up. And then I have Viore workout shorts. Usually carry 2 pairs of workout shorts. These also, by the way, are workout shorts and swimsuit for me. So I don't have to pack a swimsuit and a workout short. And finally, one more packing cube. These are all my shirts. I usually fold my collared shirts up like this. These are the Viore button-up shirts that are pretty popular. I love them. They're lightweight. They feel great on the skin. They fit great. I've had them for years and they still look amazing. Next is a couple of t-shirts, just standard t-shirts. This sun shirt is a Howler Brothers sun shirt. When I say a sun shirt, what I mean is it's this really light, breathable material with a long sleeve. Typically sun shirts have like these thumb holes in them. It's got cool little pockets in it so that I can hold some things inside my shirt. And then it always has a hood. I love this shirt if I'm gonna go on a tour or a boat ride or something like that, and I don't quite know what the conditions are gonna be. And then a couple of workout shirts here. a tank top, and a Henley. This is a Patagonia Henley, super lightweight, looks good because that Henley style has a little bit of a dressier look to it, and that's it, man. All right, my friends, that's how I pack for 11 days in Europe with a single bag. It's the best way for me to pack. I could throw it on my back, walk from a train station to a restaurant, to a taxi, to whatever. You know, the simplicity of having the backpack, but having this much organization, it's a no-brainer. I hope this has been helpful. If I missed something, let me know. If you've got better packing ideas, if you do something that has really reduced the size of the things that you pack when you travel, I'd love to hear that from you. So that I could use your ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy traveling.